Hey guys, this is Ugly Old Goat here. I just want to invite you to our new 7-day intensive equity trading workshop. Nobody's done anything like this before. Okay, we're going to get together. This is for experienced traders only that just want that extra edge, that extra boost. The problem that most traders have is not making money. It's that they lose everything that they make. Money management is the key to successful trader. You can be the best fundamentalist, you can be the best technical analysis, but without money management, you're going to lose it all. I've seen it time and time again. Guys, this is to help you correct this problem. This is to make equity trading, money management part of your DNA, and to have other guys that recognize the same thing, because you know what? When we make a mistake, we need somebody to lift us up. And that's what this is to build relationships with fellow successful traders. So hey, if you can make it down here, you're invited. It's $3,000 for the whole week. We take care of everything. We're going to have Wreck But Not Ruin adventure tour with the side-by-sides going to the remote beach in Arendia. We'll be going to Valle de Guadalupe, which is the wine country. Just don't miss this. You'll love it. Thanks for listening.